Yes, so my people on a dinner. Did it happen? Your boy Jablan International, the online Manchester United chief. Twilight compliment of the season. Today I want to talk about parents, father, mother, especially fathers. Say fathers they try. Those responsible fathers now they talk about they try where. They try where. Those responsible fathers they try where. But one thing where some fathers not they put into cognizance, we say they know they take care of themselves. I wash my throat. If you see my video for anywhere, just like first, subscribe, share. Now Facebook, now TikTok, now YouTube, just like. It's now Instagram, just like first. Encourage my video. You feel me? Fathers, I know you talk say me mothers not they take care of themselves. I be man. I won't relate on to man things. As a father, learn no matter what. In short, now you be number one priority for maintain yourself, because if the father not maintain himself, if you take care of the house. You feel me? If you don't experience any kind of health issue, headache, not take answer be man. Adjust, maintain yourself. Make I tell you how it take easy for you as a father to maintain yourself easily. Anytime you get mind, say you won't buy clothes. Start with this analogy first. You won't buy clothes for your children. Maybe you don't say and say, make I just change your wardrobe. Make sure say as you put that budget for them, your budget, for example, based on say you economize things too. Your budget for your own maintenance, you not reach your own. For example, now you budget like 400k to change your wife wardrobe, your children wardrobe, their clothes. As you budget, as they buy for them, so instantly. Not to say you buy your own tomorrow. As they buy for them, so they buy your own. If you not doing like that, that your money where you put, so you go use to buy your own later, so one bill if you just take them instantly, you don't miss that opportunity to take buy your things. So you feel me? If you want to go buy phone, for example, you look and say your wife phone don't weak. Now to use phone normally, you call and say your wife phone don't weak. You want to change your phone. As you plan that one, so bros, forget. As you buy your own finish, plan buy your own, change your own too. Now say they maintain, they maintain in life. If they procrastinate your own, say you do on later, you don't the form of money, you don't the week they go. We are not the one and not life, you see. You began your wife they shop for one place. Now you can't go the chop what they meat. They leave your mother. Man is like that. You go chop prepare for your wife normally. Because of men now, some kind of guys go take up the other way around though. You see, I'm the man of the house. Let me maintain myself. Meat, food when you and your wife they chop, because they not be down. I told you know me say me you not eat. The film we try talk in essence be say anything what you they do for your family, your immediate home, make sure say you they do at least immediately for yourself. If you buy new clothes for your children, immediately buy one thing for yourself. If you not be clothes when you equate your own, if you be maybe you won't go out, go just enjoy. Make sure say you do something in that same day or the next day. Just maintain, not be competition. No, that will go they make you they know say you need post. So you need to maintain yourself together with because if you let God forbid say the man let go, those your children, your wife, where they carry load, see you almost meet up for, they go still survive without you. But you fail to maintain yourself because you carry load for them, which is good as a responsible man. But what I'm trying to say in essence is, as they carry the load, so make sure say they maintain yourself immediately. You feel me? Not say you go just day, so kind of you go see them, they write responsible for their forehead, because they write responsibility with capital letter too for their forehead. The man is responsible, which is they take care of your family, with big capital. of responsibility again. Me the two they go together. As you they provide, you they maintain yourself. As you they provide for them, you they maintain yourself. As you they provide for them, you they maintain yourself so that you go feel live long, go enjoy your life. Oh, you never was out saying that women they live long now. Not be bad things if man live long now. Not crime, you know. So my brother, try to maintain yourself. You know, yes, take care of your home. Oh. Still take care of yourself. This now your boy Jabulani International, the Manchester online chief. You dey feel me? They see my video anyway to the see on Instagram or TikTok or YouTube. Oh, just like, subscribe, share. Now the story be that. Go share worry. Boy. I dey observe some kind. If I come out like it, I like to observe some kind of things. If you see, so I go see some kind of parents. The woman, maybe the mama, you know, to make guy, when she dey young, you can't see the way you go dress his daughter. That is small boy, or that is small when you get to you go dey see that guy when the mama not do when she be that age, she go dey put them on the children. You go dey see haircut. When you go dey bass small boy, you of 1 year old, they carry galas. Small pikin, oh, small girl, oh. When we be like 1 year, 2 years old, go they wear bomb short, they wear leggings, they wear belly top. That's not to make sense. So it just be like say to me, but to some you know me say me, you know they dress your kids fine, oh, but not be small pikin when we say never know anything. You as a small daughter you get 2-3 years, you know they wear bomb short. They give her belly top where they go they show her tummy. No, now to me, it don't make sense. So if they won't try, for example, won't try instigate or impute or inculcate a character into your picking when you say you yourself you like, but you know if you achieve and based on say you know how they make money, you know how they experience good life. For example, now you be footballer as a parent, you can't get children. For example, now if you just based on say that your dream so of becoming a footballer, you know achieve them. If you use something like the positive aspect that they tell now, so if you put them into any of your son, you know, early beginning, maybe you start to teach them how to play ball, put them for all this academy, football academy on time. Based on say you as a father, for example, now your dream is to be play ball, but age no connect for you to feel make them professionally. If you put them into your picking early stage, you know, put them for football academy, start the groom for there. Or you be musician, you like to be musician, but you know if you achieve the dream, maybe you could look and say, make I use my picking to achieve this dream. Oh, you know, early stage like this, you start to teach your picking, that your daughter or that your son how to learn instruments, send and go musical school. All those kind of things now positive things. Not be by say, you know, some especially mothers. Get one I see which Jana. Small boy, you. And so they carry dreadlocks for head where guy man they wear. They carry for head. And so they carry her for this small and so they carry for this small picking head. Sure? Small picking, oh. Which kind of guy picking won't make? Me they see the picking say the picking tight, saying parents they okay, now me they give her that kind of dread. Man, clear my throat first. You understand? So to you, that kind of thing good. That kind of thing good. For example, now you like fashion. Maybe you know if you dress well, you know if you do all this kind of dirty fashion for your time. Now you could put that into your picking. Small boy of 2 years, you could sag him. If that picking reach like 15 years, what do you want me to do? Small picking, small daughter of like 2-3 years, do they give her a mini skirt? No, now it don't make sense. So I think I pour this story, given all that, it makes sense like that. To me, it don't make sense. So your boy again, Jabulani International. If you see me for YouTube, just like. If you see my video for anywhere, YouTube or Facebook or Instagram or TikTok, or just like. You dey feel me? So now the story be that I think my point given out today. So how you dey enjoy the season now? Hope the season dey go well for you. If you know chop rice, forget rice not dey finish, you know. So now the matter be that.